Hey, welcome again to Adventures in Pop-Ups. I'm Blake, and today we are fixing the camper power outlet cover thing. So anyways, a nut driver and 3 nuts. I already took that out, so that's how easy it is. Then you just pry it up because it's got some sticky gooey on there to seal it. So just take the old one off and put the new one on. I got the new one in the house with some new sealant. So pretty easy fix for like 10 bucks. You can do it yourself. Okay, so that one pulls right out. It's got some sticky glue tape on there. And I had it plugged in, so got a lot of ta-da. So you can see we've got the old one off now and got the new one all prepped, ready to go with some sticky glue adhesive stuff. I don't know what you call it. Anyways, cleaned off the side of the camper here so that it's got a nice good seal. Then you just shove this thing through and put it in there. You want to have this down on the bottom for the cord to come out. And that's how hard that is. Not too hard. About $10 in 10 minutes. Okay, so a pro tip here. Got the screws and I'm putting them in so I can line up the previous holes. It looks like someone has done this before. They drilled new holes. I'm not going to. I'm just going to use the same old holes. I got plenty of adhesive behind there. So stick it through, punch it through the glue, tape stuff, and get it to where the hole is. Okay, so I got 2 of the 3 lined up, so we should be good to do the 3rd one. Okay, great. Thanks for joining us in this adventure in Pop-Ups. We hope to see you again soon. Check out these other videos here.